are you doing? I hope that you guys had a very, very beautiful day today. All right, so you know this is your girl Twala Cole, aka Sister Cole, and over here, you guys, you know what I like to do. I like to do hauls. I like to do lookbooks, product reviews, cook, clean, give you some word of encouragement at times. Yes, over here, I like baby. So if that is something that you would like, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Go ahead and hit that. All right, so we're gonna get into this video. All right, guys, I got a couple of things in I want to share with you guys, okay? But before I open up the stuff, okay, I want to share my whole face routine, and which is not really a really big routine. I don't even know if you want to call it a routine, but I do want to share, and I think I've shared this before, but I'm going to share it again for those of you who may be new to my page, right? Okay, so you know, I've had compliments about my skin where people will say, oh, you know, your skin is really nice. What do you use on your face and all of that good stuff, right? And I'm going to tell you guys, when you use, this is in my opinion and what has worked for me, and I'm just sharing it with you guys, maybe it will work for you. I'm not saying this is the be all of the be all. I'm not saying that this is the answer for everybody. I'm just sharing something that works for me, and if you want to try it, you can, you know, feel free to try it, you know, but I'm not saying everybody in the whole world has to do this, okay? All right, so I got that over with. Okay, so you know what? In my opinion, I feel that when you mess with your face and stuff too much, when you do too much, it causes your face, or it can cause your face to break out and to have a lot of issues, okay? I firmly believe for myself that when I try to use like products, which I really don't, I may have maybe one or two times in my life, and that's when I had, you know, caused issues with my face. Nothing crazy, but maybe some breakout. Okay, I believe what I do is, honestly, I wash my face using my washcloth, and I'm telling you that, you know, them little cheap washcloths that got a little grit to it, like at Dollar Tree. One of those, you know, I use because it has like, it's rough. It has like a little grit to it, right? So it kind of exfoliates my face when I'm washing it. I think that's the right word. So I use hot water, I use that rag, and I wash my face off thoroughly, okay? Hot water and the rag. Sometimes I may use the no scent Dove soap. But that's once in a while. Once in a while. I may use that on my face, maybe once a week or twice a week. But on my face, I like to use the hot water and a rag and wash my face real good, okay? And then, because my skin tends to be dry, especially with lupus, lupus for me dries out my skin, okay? So I will use Vaseline, honey, and you know, I'm old school. We used to use Vaseline for everything. Vaseline to moisturize, Vaseline to fix hair, you know, everything, okay? But I'm telling you, the Vaseline is a great lubricant against harsh weather. And I put the Vaseline on my face after washing my face. And that is it. And I'm telling you guys, for me, I do not have issues with my face in years. And that's what I've been doing for years. Years and years and years and years and years. Wash my face off, hot water, maybe use the Dove no scent soap once or twice a week, you know, and that's it. And then sometimes, maybe once a month, I might use some cotton balls, put some alcohol on it, and wipe my face down really good. You understand? And that's like maybe once a month. And basically that is what I do. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I really believe, like, when you keep using product after product after product, You understand? I really believe that those things don't really help your face. You understand? I feel like they cause your face and stuff to get, to break out. So if you're having breakout issues on your face, try that. Just try it. Try it for a month and see if it works for you, right? Now listen, I didn't say that every product is bad. Some people have a great routine and they have found products that work well, beautiful with their skin, so, but for me, this is what I do, and I'm just, sharing it just in case if there's someone out there who's really struggling, you understand, with breakouts and stuff on the face, and you've tried everything. So try letting your face rest a while from products, okay? And just wash it off with some hot water. Use a nice washcloth that's a little, not rough, but not crazy rough, but a little rough where you can get a nice scrub, And then if your face is really dry, you go ahead and you use that Vaseline. Yep, that is exactly what I do. Now for the rest of my body, please give me some nice, I love the Dove vanilla, the Dove coconut vanilla. They got Dove lime fresh, whatever. Now for my body, I love me some good smelling. So I love good smelling everything. Perfume, I love my good smelling scents. You understand? So, but for my face, I want to protect another scent from Scentbird, another perfume from Scentbird. All right, you guys, let's see. Now, you guys who are new to my channel, I have a subscription with them. It's not a paid one or anything like that. This is my subscription that I pay for every month, okay? And like I always say, I wish I did. I wish I could get a little be in partnership with them. I really wish. Okay, so they send me homage again. They sent me this last month. All right, so they sent it to me again, okay? And the notes in it is the rhubarb leaves, the coriander, the jasmine, the tuberose, and the amber. Okay? So, I don't know. I feel like I got this already. Okay? But yeah, they sent it to me. Okay? So for you guys who are new or don't know anything about Scentbird, it comes in a little pouch. All right? And then in the pouch, it has this cute little tube. All right? Okay? It's a white bottle. These come in different colors. Sometimes they're black, and they have white. They have different colors, okay? And let me see. Yeah, I believe this is the one they sent me, but let me spray it. For those of you who are new to my channel, let me try it on for you all. Okay, very nice scent. It's a very nice scent. The note that you really smell when you first put it on is the jasmine. The jasmine is the note that I smell in the first spray. That is the note that I smell. It's this scent so far is very pretty. It is super, it's just very pretty. It reminds me of flowers. Okay, that's that's that jasmine. Maybe I'm also smelling the tuberose. But yes, it's very pretty. It reminds me of a summer day, honestly. So I would say that this would be good for a summer. This is like a summer scent, absolutely. And it's very pretty. It's very sweet, but yet it's you get a nose full. It's just like if you were to have some fresh flowers that is cut, and you just breathe and you just smell and you get that nice, beautiful flower smell. That is what this is. Yep, that's what it smells like. It's like a bouquet of flowers. That's what it smells like, okay? And you also smell the rhubarb. The rhubarb leaves, you can smell the rhubarb, and it's like an undertone. So it's like jasmine with an undertone of the rhubarb. Very nice. And actually you can smell the amber as well. You can smell the scents that is here, but the most dominant scent is the jasmine and the tuberose. But yes, it's very pretty. It definitely reminds me of a beautiful summer day. Reminds me of having on a beautiful sundress and my cute little sandals on, my awesome shades, and I'm smelling, pretty. Oh, so pretty. That's what it smells like. All right, let me show you guys. I picked up some candles from Walmart. We went to Walmart. When did we go? I would think we went on Tuesday. Me and my husband, we went to Walmart. Now Walmart is far from us. I live in Brooklyn, so I had to go to Queens, and I don't really get to go to Walmart a lot because I don't be wanting to go to Queens all the time. Okay, so anyway, I was off, so we went to Walmart. Okay, now if you watch me, you know that I love candles. I am obsessed. I am obsessed with good smelling candles, hands down. I burn my candles every day. When I come in from work, you better believe I am going to put on a candle because I love to feel cozy. It goes along with my cozy atmosphere, and I just, it just makes me feel so good because I love good scents. I love my house to smell good. I love for me to smell good. So now I usually buy candles from, what is it? Bath and Body Works. Child, I'd be messing up. I'd be like Bath Beyond. I'd be getting two stores mixed up. It's Bath and Beyond or something, Bath and Body, but I believe it's Bath and Body Works, okay? Go ahead and correct me in the comments. Okay, but anyway, I have purchased these candles from Walmart before. So when I tell you that if you pick the right ones, Walmart has some candles that is just as good as Bath and Body Works. Just as good, okay? And it's cheaper. It's cheaper, all right? So if you live close to a Walmart, you better go in and get them candles if you like them like I do, okay? Now, this one right here is called Mainstays. This is the warm apple pie. Stop playing with me. This smells so good, you guys. Warm apple pie. I cannot wait. And it has cinnamon. I knew it had cinnamon. It says baked apple, cinnamon, and spice. And you can smell all of that. All of those ingredients you smell with this. And this is the Mainstay candle. And that, I love anything that smells like baked goods. Like, that's the kind of scent that I gravitate to, especially towards the holiday seasons, like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Absolutely, for sure. I may switch up in the springtime and get a clean scent, like a very clean and crisp scent. But in the winter months, especially the holiday months, this is what I'm going with. I'm going with candles that smell good, that smell like I'm baking. Okay. So if I'm feeling real frisky, I'll do it I'll burn this scent in the summertime too. So this is the warm apple. It smells absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay. And you know what, you guys, just like I mix my perfume, sometimes I'll be mixing my candles too. I'll be burning two different kinds at one time, kind that I think that will go good together. Okay. Now this one right here, absolutely love. This is one of my favorite. This is the hazelnut. Hold on, guys. Let's just watch this getting on my nerves. Okay, so this right here is the hazelnut cream. The hazelnut cream. Absolutely love it for me. I love coffee smelling perfumes. I love hazelnut vanillas. Anything, caramels, anything like that. Love it for me. This, I've had it before. Absolutely. If you love a hazelnut smell, go ahead and get this one, sis. Go ahead and get this one. This is also a Mainstays. That's M-A-I-N-S-T-A-Y-S. Mainstays candle. If you love a hazelnut smell, get this. Your whole house. It will have your whole area, the part of the house that you have it lit, yes, absolutely. It will have it smelling delicious. Yes. Okay, this one right here is called apple fritters. Apple fritters. Let me see. Is it the apple, maple, and vanilla? Apple, maple, and vanilla. That maple, let me tell you, please, you try, y'all, if y'all haven't, you know what, I need to be getting paid for this. Yo, the way I'm going in on these candles, sis need to be getting some quaint. That's what I need to be getting. And this right here is the apple pecan turnover. Cinnamon, apple, pecan, and pastry. Okay, they all smell absolutely delicious. It's, you know, it smells like when you burn it, it smells like you're baking. Honestly, it smells. People have come in and they be like, "What you cooking?" Last but not least, I ordered this that I'm about to show you from Amazon because I saw someone using it. I forget who I saw. I don't know if it was another content creator. It was somebody. I just don't remember who it is because I wanted to give people their props. But I don't know. Maybe it was a random. It's probably somebody random because I would have remembered. But I don't know who I saw with this. But I got this right here. This right here is a stand for my phone. Except this right here is an auto face tracking. So this stand right here, it moves. So if I move, it will move. Okay, so that is so cool, you guys, because right now the stands that I use, you gotta I gotta cut the camera off, turn the camera to where I moved at, then turn it back to where it is a lot. Those of you who know, you know, it is a lot of work when you have a stand and it can't move. So when I saw this, honey, that they got a stand that can move, you understand? And they said it's easy to set up. You set it up. You know, you guys, when I set it up, I don't feel like doing it right now, but they said it's 1, 2, 3. So you just set it up, turn it on, and it just rotates. So if I'm walking to the left, it's going to turn it, you know, to the left. If I walk over there, it's going to turn the camera. So now I don't have to take time and stop. Take time, stop, move, cut the camera off. You understand? Position the camera. My phone, right? Go back, do it again. No way, honey. No. So when I set it up, I'll let you guys know. I'll also look. I'm gonna try to remember to link it for you guys. It's an A200 auto face tracker gimbal stabilizer A200. That's what it's called. Okay, and I was trying to link. If I forget to link it, you guys say something in the comments and I will link it, okay? I hope I don't forget, you know. But I'm like, I can't wait because that's gonna, you know, that's gonna make me be able to do some really, you know, to up my videos. That's gonna make my videos, you know, I'm gonna be able to do something more with my videos with this machine or with this stand, okay? All right, you guys, so with that being said, those are all the things that I purchased that I wanted to share with y'all. That's everything that I wanted to share with you guys, okay? So I hope that you got something out of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, okay? So guess what? Don't forget that you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah, mwah. Shout out Nicole, the Pisces Queen, Danny, Monique, and Money Making Monique.